Morning guys, welcome to our first ever photo tutorial. What we're going to show you today is how to change an image where you've taken it and you've gone back, looked at it on the laptop and you've seen that the composition isn't quite right and you just want to change the layers, change how it looks. So the example I'm going to show you is how we got from this to this in about 5 minutes. Now there are many ways of doing this and some people will say that they do it differently, but let's jump into Photoshop and show you what we think is the simplest way to do it. Okay, so first we'll jump into Lightroom to get our photo up. The first thing we always do is put our edit on it. As you can see there, we've just put one of our presets on it. Then once you've done that, we'll click right click, edit in, open a smart object in Photoshop. Okay, there we go. So we've got the photo open in Photoshop now, and what we want to do is select the area that we want to get rid of. I'd say that looks good. Command J to create a new layer, and then Command T to transform. And what you want to do is right click, distort, and reduce this amount. So I'm going to reduce it just enough so that the camel's head still looks realistic. Say about there, and click enter. Then what you want to do is click on the original layer and select the section that you want to bring down. So it's just this bit here down to this corner. Select that, Command J to create a new layer, and then Command T to transform it, pull it down to the new section. Might bring it a little bit further than that. See how it looks? Yeah, it looks all right. And then the last thing I want to do, because the sky, you can see the line over the sky there, is stay in this layer. Select the section where the sky looks a bit off. Pull it down to there again. Command J, new layer, Command T to transform, and you want to distort it again and pull the sky up so it's super smooth. Enter, and there you go. I said it took 5 minutes, it probably takes about 1 or 2 minutes in total. And when you're finished, click File, Export, and I always export as PNG to get good quality, save it wherever you want, and you're good to go. Alright, so now let's check the final results. There's the before and the after. And as you can see, the attention is now more on us as a subject and less on that extra bit of land that was between us and the tent in the photo there. So I'm pretty happy with this, and I hope that you guys found that helpful. If so, give us a like and a follow, and we'll be coming out with more tutorials shortly.